Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the bobbin area closely. Remove the presser foot and needle so you can work safely and see clearly. Open the bobbin case and blow or brush out lint. Trapped fibers change tension and cause skips. Make sure the bobbin sits with the thread feeding the correct way. Once done, the lower thread should pull smoothly from the case. If it snags, pause and reseat the bobbin. Proper seating fixes many lower thread issues. Now rethread the lower path step by step so the machine forms stitches properly. Take the bobbin out and check for uneven winding. Rewind or swap in a full, evenly wound bobbin. Thread the bobbin into the case following the machine's numbered guides and be sure the thread slips under the tension spring. That spring creates the correct resistance. Once threaded, pull the lower thread gently. You want free movement with slight drag, which balances upper tension for neat stitches. Finish by running a controlled test so you confirm the fix. Install a fresh needle of the right size and fabric type, then lower the presser foot and sew a slow test line while watching the underside. If stitches look balanced, you're done. If the lower thread still loops or breaks, stop, clean the shuttle race and bobbin area again, and recheck upper thread tension settings. Sometimes an over-tight top thread or dirty race, not the bobbin, causes lower thread faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.